Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And hit that notification bell. Thomas and Friends. Helpful Thomas. And stay tuned after the story to see what came in the mail. Thomas's whistle is broken. He must have it fixed. Thomas is worried. He's never been to the mechanic before. Thomas chugs toward the repair shed. Around the bend, Percy has run off his track. Thomas pulls Percy back into position. Ahead sits Bertie. He's overheating. Thomas offers some water to Bertie so he can refill his radiator. As Thomas passes the docks, he sees Salty, Harvey, and Cranky hard at work. Thomas helps move the dockside cars until all the freight is unloaded. At Gordon's Hill, Henry struggles with a heavy train. Thomas helps push, and Henry reaches the top of the hill. Thomas whistles as he passes the quarry. The troublesome trucks chuckle at the sound. Thomas almost forgot his whistle needs fixing. He feels worried again. Harold hovers above. "There's a broken bridge ahead," he calls. Thomas hurries to get supplies and workers. At the bridge, Harold lowers wood toward a worker who doesn't see it coming. Uh-oh, Thomas's whistle is too weak to warn them. Luckily, the worker looks up in time. He might have been hurt because I put off fixing my whistle, thinks Thomas. Thomas heads straight to the repair shed. "Will it hurt?" he asks. "It didn't hurt," the mechanic replies. "Your whistle is fixed already, and you didn't feel a thing." "I shouldn't have been afraid," Thomas tells Percy. "The mechanic was only going to help." "Just like you helped me and all our friends," replies Percy. "Helping others is important," Sir Top of Hat agrees. "And it doesn't hurt a bit." I recently received a package from my friends at HarperCollins, so let's open it up and see what came. And, oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, wow, it's wrapped in everything. This is beautiful. Dear reader, this book began in Greece on Mount Olympus itself. I've always loved Greek mythology and wanted to visit some of the ancient sites. My husband, who loves hiking, agreed to travel there, only if we climbed Mount Olympus. Mount Olympus? After some debate, I reluctantly agreed. After all, Mount Olympus was the fabled home of the gods and goddesses. It's wrapped so nice, I don't want to wreck the paper. I'm one of those people that unwrap things so nicely. Let's put that to the side. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Look at that cover. Wings of Olympus by Callie George. Aloft, wings beat and feathers fly. Hark the horses of the sky. Oh, wow. What a beautiful book. And it's for ages 8 to 12. High on the slopes of mighty Mount Olympus glide the winged horses of the ancient gods. The mountain is normally no place for an orphan stable hand like Pippa. But once every 100 years, the gods and goddesses descend to the mortal realm to choose jockeys for their winged horse race, and Peppa is one of the lucky children chosen to ride. What a beautiful, gorgeous book. Thank you so much, my friends at HarperCollins, for sending me that book. That's amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Thomas and Friends stories, check out my Thomas and Friends playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.